So now I want to work on the functionalities of these buttons. You can add as many related to the friends you've done that before. And first of all, let me fix this problem right here with flowing. So if you go back to the style and then go to the first query, which is 870, for this one is not viewport width, it's 100%, and save, and this problem is gonna disappear and everything is gonna be fine. Okay, so now we can work on the buttons. So let me go back to the card and we can start with every button one. So maybe you can start with canceling the request. So right here we're gonna have an on click, okay, and then right here we're gonna create a function. Let's call it cancel request handler. Okay, and we're gonna pass the ID. We need it, the ID of the user, which is gonna be from the user ._ID. And let me take that. Let me create it right here. So we're gonna send function, and right here we're gonna simply await and then call the function cancel request from the function's user. Okay, so everything is prepared for us. I'm gonna send the ID that I'm gonna get from here. Let's call it user ID. I'm gonna send this first, and the second parameter or the argument is gonna be the token. Okay, so we need to get the user, but we already have this user right here. Okay, you know what, maybe I can change them to and add an R right here in the end. Okay, right here, also from here and from here, double R. Okay, like that. And then I can go back right here and then send it as double R. And then also right here and save. Okay, so everything is fine, and then we can call the user without any problem. So user, use the use selector, and then we're gonna get the state, and simply we're gonna spread the state like that. And let me take the user, and then the second argument is going to be the user.token. Okay, so that's, if I cancel the request, that's just going to cancel it. So maybe we can try that. Okay, so I click cancel. Okay, let me refresh and see if it exists. So it's been removed. Okay, want to work on updating directly, don't worry. So I can go back right here. Let me go to Chris Rock again. So as you see, I don't have any sent request, so I can go back and add them again, and then go back right here and refresh. And then I'm gonna have myself right here, so everything is working. Also, I want to see the changes live, so if I click, I want to see it disappear from here. So maybe you can go back right here and just get the function and run it again, which is the get data. That's why I had it outside of the use effect. So maybe pass it to every single component, okay, like that, and then get it from the props right here, and then just run it right here. Or you can do a test before that. If you go back to any function that we had related to the request, it returns okay if everything is alright. So maybe you can do right here, you can call this response, and then if response equal okay, that means everything alright, then you can run the function. Okay, so let me refresh right here. So now I can click cancel, and as you see, it's gonna disappear from here. I gotta refresh and everything is fine. I can go back right here, and then I'm gonna see add friend. I can click on it, go back right here, and I'm gonna find it, and it's gonna disappear. So like everything is fine. So let me just send it again, and now let's do the same thing for the rest. Okay, so it's gonna be just the same. So let me take this on click, so we can add this for confirm. Okay, let's call this confirm handler, and let me take that, copy this function. Okay, the only difference is going to be the function, which is going to be accept request from the functions, and everything is fine. This one also I'm going to add it for the delete. Let's call this delete handler. I can take that, copy this one, then we called it delete request, okay, from the functions, and everything is fine. So let me try this. Let me open this one right here. Let me refresh. So okay, so which account? This one. So we're gonna work on this one that sends me the request. Okay, so I can go, let me just unfriend me from here. Okay, and then send me a request and go back right here so I can see it. So now if I want to confirm it, so I can confirm it, okay, and now I'm gonna have it in friends. So you see how cool is this? That's actually very nice. You can like order it for the friends. We didn't order it, but you can do that. It's fine. So now that we have it in the friends, that's actually very good. I can go back right here and I'm gonna have it in the friends. So I can unfriend me again. I can refresh. I'm gonna have it, okay. I'm gonna add it in the friends. Now see right here, it's gonna be added in the friend request. I can confirm it. We've done that before, okay. Sorry, I'm just a bit sleepy, so I've done the same thing, okay. So let me unfriend and then add friend. I want to now delete, so I don't want to accept it, so I can delete and it's going to be deleted and I'm not going to find it right here. I can refresh here and it's going to say add friend. That means I didn't accept. So as you see, the functions are very nice, everything is working and we get the new data directly. So I feel like everything is here done. Let me see. One last problem to fix right here. If I cancel right here, you see this is going to disappear, but it's going to leave this space right here. And that's because if you go back to this style, we didn't define, let me go up. So to the right side, so this one, we didn't define the left, the right, the top, but we didn't define the bottom. So but the bottom there, it doesn't work because we could have like scrolling, okay? So maybe you can just add a minimum height. You can add it 100 viewport height, okay? That's fine. Okay, minimum height. That should work. Let me refresh. Okay, just a slow refresh. So now it's gonna work. So now it refreshes and everything is fine. But you see like scrolling, even though we don't need it. That's maybe we can need like a calculate function, and it's gonna be 100 viewports height minus 56 from the header. Okay, and that's gonna remove the scroll. And then when we have it, it's gonna return the scroll normally. So if I go back right here, connection is very slow right now, I don't know why. Yeah, it's very bad. So I added it. Okay, I can go back right here, and as you see, I can scroll normally and everything is fine. So the next video, we're just gonna work on like filtering, okay, by changing the URL, which is gonna be very nice to learn about.